So hi guys, I was just planning to go for a long drive after a long time. So it's been thinking for almost like 1.5 years. The last trip I just gone to Wayanad, very beautiful experience, especially when you are just moving across the Ghat sections, and coming back is also truly amazing. So just thought of going for a drive. You know that I'm just, caught up in a lot of hustles and bustles in our daily life. Whether it's work, family, travel, all these things. So this one day gap will actually take my limits to the extreme and just get my best things out on the day. So Thirunelveli is almost like 150 kilometers from Trivandrum. I'll just take my car along and I'll just pack my kids and the cycle in it and just go there, do my professional work, do my work, and then get time to actually go ahead for a 5 to 6 hour or a 7 hour drive. That will take me to the best of the latest times. So this is my bike. That's a Suncross Race Star 2. Just got Shimano Claris red dealer, and that is the front dealer, and this is the speedometer that tracks all my performances. So this is the 1+2 front dealer, and we got the 8 head dealer in the back, and we got the Performax braking system at the back and also on the front. And now my Suncross is dismantled, and this is now finding a comfortable place in my car. So the accessories that I should carry along, this is basically the Pro Bike pressure pump. The tires has to be inflated to around 70 to 80 psi. So this is part of that. The water bottle that carries all the water. A crash helmet with all the holes inside so that we can have the good air inside and have my hair and my head protected. This is basically the sunscreen so that I can just protect my skin from the heat. We got the gloves. We got a spare tubes that I'll be using it if in case of an emergency. In case I feel that I should wear a cap, I should carry that also. The goggles, a must requirement for beating the heat. The ORS or the particular minerals that I should need, the trace elements that I need, which I'll mix it along with this particular container, and I'll put it inside the cycle, and this is just to mix it and just shake it. And then the complete tracking on Strava that goes through my wristband, and my fluorescent green t-shirt so that anybody can notice me at any distant point, and my shorts that I'll be wearing. And all these things will be carried on my bag, sling bag. So all these will be my accessories that will make my drive better and safe. So it's 6:30 in the morning and it's time to leave to Thirunelveli. So my buddy is there on the back, so I'll just show you that. And my Suncross rests perfectly inside my car, and just time to move on. I just reached my destination, so it's time to just get out. And this is where I'm gonna stay for the next 2 days. Seems big enough. Just picturesque environment. Yeah, I feel I'm just going to love this. Yes. So let's go to my room and just change things and just go it next morning. So very beautiful morning. The sun has started setting inside. So here's my Suncross ready, steady to go. I just done my lubrications, take the tire pressures to almost like 80 to 90 psi. So all set. So let's start the journey. 6:01, and I'll start my Strava right now. I already shared my live log in emergency. So let's start the journey. It's a long way ahead. Let's begin. Yesterday there was quite a bit of showers, so it's cool out here. Definitely going to get hot in the due course of time. But right now it's like 22 degrees Celsius. It seems so. almost like 25 kilometers completed. Average is going pretty high, like almost like 28, 29. It's going. It's maybe initial spike that I'm having. When we started, we just take it to that speeds, and then we'll actually have to lower it down. It's cool. It's not humid. It's like the winds are blowing in. I just thought that I'll just have a refreshment, maybe like hydrate myself so that I can take my journey ahead. Yeah, if I'm beautiful, wide, long roads. Not in a single pothole you can see. It's just a treat for any kind of biker. I just don't know how these people maintain these things. So I just completed my 50 kilometers. So it's been a little bit tough ride. I mean, the winds were like blowing like anything, and the heat is just seeping in. With just a picturesque environment over here. I'll just move on in 5 minutes back home. I'll just show you what the condition of my cycle is right now. So basically taking some rest. 50 kilometers of ride continuously. So just thought of giving me 5 minutes less. Have a little bit to have my breakfast. Just some idlis, that's it, and a lot of fruits, that's all. So that's it, just 2 idlis and a lot of fruits. Anyways, almost finished with my breakfast. It's time to leave. So much of feet, 40 minutes more to go. It's almost like 42 kilometers more to go. Let's see how it takes. The temperature is soaring to almost like 35 to 36 degrees Celsius. It will be tough, but there's no point talking on it. Let's take it in. Good ahead. Yeah. Almost completing my 100 kilometers. I just feel I'm just a dead man now. Oh my. So just did it, the 101 kilometers with almost like 4.5 hours distance. Average speed of 22 kilometers per hour. A little bit lesser than what I expected. I was expecting something between 22 to 25 to 30. The 2 journey was almost like 25 kilometers per hour, but the average. But the coming, it was like I'm on a 22. Just the heat that seeped in, the humid conditions just pushed me over. But anyway, it's a fantastic ride. I just felt a little bit exhausted at the end, but now I'm just back to normal. Just it's just a great experience to be special. So cycling is just one exceptional sport that tests your endurance, your grit, your freedom, and your passion. The moment you start your vehicle, it may be a fun experience, but more you take speed, the more you take distance, then you need to push the limits. You need to be consistent, you need to be patient, and you should never let down. You should not stop at any moment. Just continue. Just the kind of spirit that you get at the end of the sport is something, that adrenaline rush, that dopamine rush, that oxytocin rush that gives you that sense of achievement is something that makes this sport very much unique. And that's what I get addicted to all the time. I may be feeling low right now, but tomorrow morning, again, I'll just take my cycles and just push off. That's the kind of joy that cycling can give. And it's time to actually pack my cycle, my Suncross, dismantle it, take to my car and back to Trivandrum. Once again, thanks Thirunelveli for a great support. I just loved it, and I'll just keep this memory as one of the most passionate memories on my cycling life ever. Thank you.